I'm so nervous. हे भगवान. Okay, cut. Okay, take 10. Hi. Uh, so why I'm starting now? Because it's never too late. आई डोंट नो मैं कितने टेक लेने वाली हूँ, बट आज तो मैं शूट करके रहूँगी बिकॉज आई वॉज रियली थिंकिंग अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दिस और मैं सब कुछ डिले कर रही थी बिकॉज आई वॉज सो स्केर्ड. इट्स अ हाँ, it's a word which can do justice with all of my excuses. I was so scared. लोग क्या कहेंगे? And why she is doing now? अब क्यों? Right? So why I'm starting now? क्योंकि अब आज मैंने सोच लिया है कि नॉट आज सोच लिया है, काफ़ी टाइम से सोच रही हूँ. इट इज़ अ जर्नी. यू कैन नॉट थिंक, यू कैन नॉट वेक अप वन डे एंड थिंक लोग आज तो करना है, वैसा नहीं. इट्स अ जर्नी, राइट? मे बी आई डोंट थिंक सो आई एम पुटिंग माई वर्ड्स इन अ राइट प्लेस, बट इट्स अ जर्नी, राइट? और you fight with your own battles and then you decide कि नहीं, fuck everything, chuck it, now we have to do what we have to do. We need to do this. I need to do this because I really wanted this from so long. I was so desperate. Okay, so let's start it from the start, right? सो व्हेन आई सॉ दिस यूट्यूब थिंग, बहुत साल पहले, अब तो बहुत साल पहले ही बोलना पड़ेगा. सो आई वॉज सो I used to get so happy and adrenaline rush that, oh wow, people are doing this and that and this and that. So I started making videos on Instagram, right? My fashion videos in Instagram. But I was not satisfied because I also wanted to talk, right? शूट हो रहा है ना? ओके. हाँ, तो I also wanted to talk because I love to talk, and people who know me, they know very well that I really like to explain everything, not in a bad way, but I love to talk. I love to talk. So there was this time when I started my YouTube channel way back. I don't know, way long back. Maybe 4 5 years back, I guess. No, 3 4 years back. I really don't know. I don't recall that. But I was I was making skincare videos, and I was not getting that satisfaction, right? Ki I'm doing things right. I want to do this. I was so much in that foundation कि मैं क्या करूँ, इसके आगे क्या, इसके आगे क्या, because I was not. I love skincare, okay, I love skincare, but I am not a researcher kind of skincare geek, okay. So um, I was making those videos, and then I stopped. I really didn't like that what I was making, and then I deleted that. तो इसके और पहले जाएं तो I was so conscious to talk. I was so conscious to speak what I'm thinking, how I am looking when I'm talking. I really was so much conscious. Like I am conscious right now also, but I was so conscious back then also. And it's coming from my childhood only. Like my surrounding, my um, many not many, like कुछ एक चीज़ आपके दिमाग में स्टक हो जाती है ना, लाइक मुझे ऐसा अगर याद आए तो मैं जैसे when I was a kid and when my teeth were growing, right? I It's a teeth, right? हाँ. My teeth were growing, and then um, my bua said that your teeth is like slightly forward. Okay, she was concerned कि बड़ी होगी तो कैसे दिखेगी and all. But that thing जब आप छोटे जब बड़ों को ये बात बोलते सुनते हैं ना खुद के बारे में, so that thing push you back. I really don't know बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है कि नहीं, बट आई हैव सीन a lot of people, a lot of my friends and me also, that I pushed myself back and I was so conscious about my talking, about my jawline, about my teeth, and if I'm laughing, then how I'm looking. Is it looking like so much forward? I was so conscious, man. I was so conscious. Like, I'm literally conscious right now, also. Whenever I used to laugh at school, and when there's this photo coming after any annual function or any function or something like that, so then I used to see my face, and I used to point at my upper jaw, like, oh, it's looking so forward. I'm not looking good. So from maybe it started when I was in sixth, and I'm saying this very first time. Um, not not many of my friends know this. My family members know this, but they have not. Um, what should I say? They have not thought about that. Thought like that कि मेरे दिमाग में ये इस तरीके से घर कर गया होगा ये बात, right? It affected me so much, um, and from that class, I used to feel so ugly. I used to feel really ugly. And then when I was in college, and then when I passed out, and then this Instagram thing came out. So everyone who used to and who now also post their picture like laughing out loud, showing their teeth. I used to think like, oh wow, nice. I'll also laugh like this when I'll get braces on my teeth. It's a very sad moment for me. Whenever I literally wasted my whole year, like my whole childhood, my whole school life, then my till now. I have I'd wasted every um, second because I was so conscious that I was so conscious that I'm not looking good. That one thing got stuck in my head. Ki, oh, she is not looking good. I don't know. So maybe 2 years back, um, I tried to get braces, और मैंने उसे शायद मे बी एक या 2 दिन में ही रिमूव करा दिया होगा, और इट वाज़ सो पेनफुल फॉर मी, सो आई गॉट इट रिमूव्ड. So the whole thing I'm telling you this is because, this one thing pushed me really really bad, that I'm not looking good at camera, and I cannot speak in front of camera जब तक ये चीज़ नहीं हो जाती, लाइक जब तक मेरे जो ब्रेसेस नहीं लग जाते या कुछ और नहीं लग जाता या फिर कुछ और, तो मेरे बोलने का ओके. अभी हम थोड़ा सा इसका सार निकालते हैं. ओके, कंक्लूजन. तो कंक्लूजन इज़ दैट कि चाइल्डहुड से लेकर अभी तक मैंने सिर्फ चीज़ों का वेट किया है. ओके, इसके बाद ये हो जाएगा फिर ऐसा करेंगे, इसके बाद ये हो जाएगा फिर ऐसा करेंगे, इसके बाद ये होगा फिर ऐसा करेंगे. एंड इट इज़ सो exhausting, so exhausting. Like if I'm watching my friends or strangers, whatever, they're living their life, they're living in a moment, and I'm waiting for that moment that it will get right, then I'll enjoy. So मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा, अभी देखो, अभी भी मुझे ये चीज़ है मेरे दिमाग में कि ओके, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग लिप फिलर, सॉरी, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग ब्रेसेस, बट आई विल गेट लिप फिलर्स. आई एम सो श्योर अबाउट दिस कि आई विल गेट लिप फिलर्स, बिकॉज आई एम still very conscious in my head, in my heart, that I really need to get fixed it. Like I really need to get fix it anyhow. So I don't know, this is what I'm talking. आप किसी को कंसर्न दिखाने के लिए या किसी को ये दिखाने के लिए कि आप उसकी केयर करते हो, you say mean things in a very sugar coated way, and then you just go away from there. Okay, you just move on, you just walk forward. But the thing you have said to those people, or to that person, they have not moved on from there. Okay, they have just stuck there only. It's a very important thing to understand that you cannot do this, you don't have a right. I posted this video in my on my Instagram, maybe April May, after maybe a year, after a year I posted that video, a reel. So one of my classmate commented on my reel that, oh, moti lag rahi hai. I was so mad, dude. How could you even say this? तुम्हारे लिए प्रायोरिटीज़ अलग हैं, मेरे लिए प्रायोरिटीज़ अलग हैं. I am in my mental space right now, in that condition, that being in a right shape is not my priority right now. Okay, and I can see I am becoming fat. I can see that. Oh, I'm so beautiful. I can see that. Okay, लोग पतले हो रहे हैं, लोग मोटे हो रहे हैं, उनको पिंपल आ रहे हैं, उनको एक्ने आ रहे हैं, उनके बाल झड़ रहे हैं, ठीक है, उनको पैचेस हो रहे हैं हेड में, या फिर दे गॉट टैंड, या फिर कोई भी इशू. You should have that kind of manner, वेरी ह्यूमैनिटी. एक ह्यूमन नेचर होता है यार, एक बेसिक चीज़ है, बहुत बेसिक चीज़ है कि एटलीस्ट उसको वो चीज़ पता है. प्लीज़ एटलीस्ट तुम जाके ये बात बोलो मत उसको. यू आर लिटरली मेकिंग थिंग्स टेरिबल फॉर दैट पर्सन. ओके, सो द होल थिंग I'm blabbering here. Okay, I'm blabbering here only just because why I'm starting this right now, because I really want to do this. Now I cannot take anyone's shit. I cannot take anyone's opinion ki how am I looking, or what am I, and whatever. I cannot take this. So if you are in a life, if you're in a if you're if I'm sorry, if you are in a if अगर आप अपने उस पॉइंट में हैं लाइफ के, ओके, जहाँ पे आप सोच रहे हैं कि ओ गॉड, मैं अगर ये कर दूंगी या फिर ये कर दूंगा तो मेरे बारे में लोग ये सोचेंगे, प्लीज़ जस्ट स्टॉप इट, just move on. I have wasted my so many years just only thinking about this. Only thinking about this. I was so I was it is so consuming thing, you know. आपको ये इतना कंज्यूम कर लेता है कि आप ये नहीं देखते हैं कि आप कितने प्यारे इंसान हो, आप कितने सुंदर इंसान हो. यू नो योर लाइफ, यू नो योर बैटल्स, and no one is coming to save you. Okay, you are fighting your own battles, so no one has a right to come barges in your door and then say those mean things to you and just move on from there. No one has a right, and don't give anyone these kind of rights कि वो आपके लाइफ में आए, आपको चीज़ें बोले, आपको नीचा फील करा दे एंड जस्ट भाग जाएं और आप वहीं के वहीं उसी गड्ढे में. Okay, um this is my first video and I'm saying these things. I don't know, many of you will relate to this, many of you will not. Okay, I'm not here to please everybody, right? First of all, मैं बचपन से इन चीज़ों को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस थी कि मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ. ओके, बहुत ही क्लियरली बोलूँ तो मेरा अपर जॉ कैसा दिख रहा है, राइट? इफ़ आई एम स्पीकिंग बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसा फॉरवर्ड तो नहीं है. आई वॉज सो कॉन्शियस. आई नो दिस इज़ वेरी सिली थिंग, बट दिस इज़ नॉट फॉर मी. आई हैव lived this scary thing. This is scary for me because whatever you are doing, you're so conscious. Like you're laughing, you're smiling, you're talking to anyone, you are taking a picture, you're coming in a picture, everyone is laughing and you're just smiling. It's like this. It is so consuming. It is so fucking consuming. And then when I grew up, उसके बाद क्या हो गया कि मैं लोगों को देख रही हूँ. मुझे एक होता है ना, जब आपको बचपन से वो ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स थोड़ा बहुत रहता है कि आप उन ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स को मैच नहीं कर रहे हो, है ना. जब आपके सराउंडिंग आपको वो चीज़ फील कराते हैं, देन यू बिकम सो रिजर्व, देन यू फील सो अगली इन योर सेल्फ ओनली कि आई एम नॉट इनफ, आई एम नॉट केपेबल ऑफ एनी थिंग. If she is doing or he is doing, he is capable or she is capable enough, and God has given them so many things, like they are in front of that camera and making videos and saying things, and I'm not that kind of beautiful person. I was so ungrateful. First of all, I should be really grateful for everything God has given me. And आई रियली थिंक कि हमारी जो सोसाइटी है, हमारी जो फैमिली है, हमारे जो आजू बाजू के लोग हैं, जब हमको वो चीज़ें बोलते हैं, वो हमारे मन के अंदर इतना घर कर जाती है. और ये हमारी गलती नहीं है यार, ये हमारी गलती नहीं है. हम बच्चे होते हैं. ओके, हम बच्चे होते हैं. वहाँ से निकालना हमारे बड़ों की ज़िम्मेदारी होती है, ठीक है. और आप फिर जब बड़े हो जाते हो तब वो आपकी ज़िम्मेदारी है. बचपन में तो आपके घर वाले आपको निकाल सकते हैं, पर बड़े होने के बाद वो आपको नहीं बोलने आएंगे. लाइक मेरे भी सराउंडिंग में जो लोग हैं, उनके लिए दिस इज़ नॉट अ बिग डील. उनको नहीं पता कि मैंने इस चीज़ की वजह से अपनी कितनी सारी चीज़ डिले करी, रोकी, नहीं की. ओके, सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि people come, say things and just go. Those things does not affect them. It does not affect them, and it will never affect them, right? So I'm not saying ki why it's bothering you. No, it will bother you, dude. It will bother you. It will fuck up your mind. It will consume you. But it is only up to you that you are coming out of that. How and when? How much time you're taking? how much courage you are putting into that, and then how strong you're coming out of that. It's very important, because life is so beautiful, okay, and we cannot do that kind of injustice to our life. Keep God has given us so beautiful life, so we should be grateful. And then we are not putting ourselves out there, not we are not giving enough, and we are not doing enough, and we are not coming out of that bubble. So at last, I really want to say it, no one is going to save you, no one is coming to save you. First of all, how will they come? They don't even know they have bothered you, right? सबसे पहली बात तो यही आ जाती है कि क्यों आएंगे वो लोग, राइट? क्यों आएंगे? आएंगे ही नहीं। उनको पता ही नहीं उन्होंने जो किया है। उनको पता ही नहीं है कि उन्होंने जो एक लाइन, एक वर्ड जो आपके लिए बोल दिया है ना, वो आपको किस तरीके से अफेक्ट करी, कितने अंदर तक अफेक्ट करी है। वो बड़ी चिल कर रहे हैं, तो वो क्यों आएंगे आपको क्या बोलते हैं उसको, आपको रेस्क्यू करने के लिए? नो, दे विल नॉट। उनको रियलाइजेशन ही नहीं है, और ऐसे लोगों को कभी रियलाइजेशन होगा भी नहीं, बिकॉज दीज थिंग्स आर so very much normal in our surrounding, in our culture, or in our society. It's so normal. And no, please don't think this is Indian thing. This is everywhere, okay? This is everywhere. You cannot uh, put human in a jar of Indian and Western and this and that. These are mean people, and mean people are everywhere. Be it in your family, be it in your surrounding, in your friend circle, in your office places, in your relatives, everywhere. Okay, so we need to change that. How we want to live, it's up to us, right? So I have chosen what I want to do. I know I have taken so long to come out there and speak things about me, but it's never too late, right? It's never too late. I really don't think so it really matters कि आप लेट हो। नहीं, ये मैटर करता है कि आप वहाँ से बाहर आए। एंड नाउ when I have come from there, I have lived those experiences and those feelings. I'm really proud. I'm really proud of myself, and I'm really proud कि मैं उन चीज़ों से बाहर आ पाई हूँ, और अभी मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ। अगर नहीं आ पाई रहती तो मैं बस सोचती, अच्छा लोग ऐसा वीडियो बनाते हैं, वाह बैकग्राउंड कितना अच्छा है, कितना अच्छा ड्रेस पहना उन्होंने, ये लोग आप भी कर सकते हो, राइट? तो मुझे भी करना था, तो मैंने किया। मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा, आई नो, बट आई डू दिस नाउ। I just have to, I just needed to take that one step कि मैं एक स्टेप ले लूँगी तो हाँ, थोड़ी सी मुझे हिम्मत आएगी। सो दैट्स इट। सो आई एम गोइंग टू enjoy this every moment of making these videos, talking to you guys. I really cannot believe, and I really I know this is very small thing, but I really cannot believe that I'm speaking these things in front of my camera, and saying and saying my I'm just sharing my insecurities here, and it's very refreshing, right? Um, it's a nice feeling, and I really want to keep doing this. It's a first video and it's not going to be my last video. I'm telling you this and I promise this. I am going to make my this community and make my YouTube channel so beautiful just by talking what I feel. And I really need to do this. I wanted this from so long and I'm so happy. I really want to say कि अगर आप अभी तक लास्ट तक मेरा इस ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, I really want you to guys tell me what you felt about this, comment about this. And at last I really want to say this that welcome to my channel, welcome to my beautiful community. My name is Palka and we are going to make this place so beautiful. I promise you this. So I'm not going to give up on myself. I really want you guys also to do it for yourself. And we are going to start our lives so beautifully from the very refreshing start. And I want you and I want me also to see this life how beautiful it gets. It will be like a community for me, which will be so peaceful with no judgment, with no fear. We can feel what we are feeling, we can share what we want to share, we can be ourselves, right? I want to share, I want to talk here like we know each other from so long. Like I want to talk like that. And I really want this universe to show us how beautiful it gets, right? So that's that. And I really want to say thank you so much guys. अभी तक आप जो भी देख रहे हैं, thank you so much for watching my video. And I really can't um, I really can't wait to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Big kisses and hugs.